Welcome to Denraks Machinery, your trusted source for high-quality agricultural and industrial equipment in Southeast Asia. We are proud to bring you the best selection of modern farming tools and machinery from around the world. Whether you need powerful tractors, precision planters, or innovative harvesting solutions, Denraks Machinery has everything you need to boost your productivity and profitability. In today's compilation, we are excited to showcase 20 outstanding machines from our current inventory. First, let us introduce you to our remotely controlled lawnmower, a state-of-the-art, battery-powered machine that allows operators to mow grass and maintain large areas with total safety and precision. This machine is perfect for farms, estates, golf courses, and any area where traditional mowers cannot easily reach. Our remotely controlled lawnmower range offers excellent cutting performance with minimal maintenance requirements. Next, we present the famous FENDT 150, a premium European compact tractor renowned for its exceptional build quality, fuel efficiency, and versatility. The FENDT 150 is ideal for vegetable farms, orchards, and smallholder operations that demand reliable performance in tight spaces. Following that, watch our powerful remotely controlled lawnmower, designed for heavy-duty grass cutting on large properties. With a robust deck and powerful motor, this machine handles even thick, overgrown grass with ease. We also feature the single-chain mini power tiller, a compact and affordable solution for soil preparation in small paddy fields, vegetable gardens, and raised beds. The single-chain design provides excellent traction on wet and dry soils alike. Next up, we have another variant of our best-selling remotely controlled lawnmower, along with our powerful high-quality remote-controlled lawnmower model. Both machines feature advanced remote control systems with long-range capability, ensuring operator safety at all times. Let us now take a look at the Mini 50 horsepower 4WD tractor, a highly capable machine for medium-scale farms. With four-wheel drive, this tractor delivers outstanding pulling power and can be paired with a wide range of attachments including plows, tillers, ridgers, and sprayers. Alongside it, we show our 4WD tractor, a reliable workhorse suitable for both dry land and wet paddy field operations. This tractor combines durability, ease of maintenance, and excellent after-sales support, making it a favorite among farmers across Thailand and the region. The mini power tiller and weeding machine is next, a two-in-one solution that saves time and labor costs. This machine is perfect for intercropping, small orchard maintenance, and weed control between plant rows. We also feature the Multipurpose diesel engine, a robust, high-torque engine that can power a wide variety of agricultural implements. Available in multiple horsepower ratings, this engine is known for its long service life and easy maintenance. For large-scale land development, check out our 160 horsepower heavy-duty tractor with front loader. This powerful machine is capable of moving soil, loading materials, and preparing land for cultivation at impressive speed. The different colors, same function remotely controlled lawnmower section highlights that our lawnmowers are available in several color options to suit your brand or preference, while maintaining identical high-performance specifications. We then present the single-row mini corn harvester, a compact, efficient machine that dramatically reduces the time and labor needed for corn harvesting. This machine is suitable for small to medium-sized corn farms and can be operated by a single person. The classic remotely controlled lawnmower model is shown again, demonstrating its consistent performance across different terrains and grass types. The walking tractor with hole-filling tools is a unique and practical machine for vegetable and cassava farmers. It simultaneously opens holes and fills them, speeding up transplanting operations significantly. Our 50 horsepower crawler tractor is built for heavy-duty work on soft, waterlogged, or sloped terrain. The crawler tracks distribute the machine's weight evenly, preventing soil compaction and providing superior traction. Following this, we have the crawler tractor with rotary tiller, the perfect combination for primary and secondary tillage in paddy fields and upland crops. The rotary tiller breaks up compacted soil and prepares a fine seedbed in a single pass. The vegetables transplanter machine is a labor-saving innovation for vegetable farmers. It plants seedlings at precise spacing and depth, ensuring uniform crop stands and reducing transplanting labor by up to 80%. We also feature the double chains trenching machine, ideal for installing irrigation pipes, drainage systems, and underground cables on farms and construction sites. Its dual-chain cutting mechanism allows fast and deep trenching even in hard soils. Finally, we present the Sugarcane peeling machine, a high-speed processor designed to peel sugarcane for fresh juice extraction. This machine is widely used in juice shops, markets, and sugarcane processing facilities across Southeast Asia. At Denraks Machinery, we are committed to providing the highest quality agricultural and industrial machinery backed by professional service and genuine spare parts support. All machines shown in this video are available for immediate sale or can be ordered to your specific requirements. For pricing, availability, and technical specifications, please contact us today. You can reach our sales team on WhatsApp at +66 62 582 8186. You can also send us an email at sale.denrak@gmail.com. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is ready to assist you in choosing the right machinery for your operation. We invite you to visit our showroom or contact us for a product demonstration. Denraks Machinery, bringing modern technology to your farm. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other farmers and equipment enthusiasts. Subscribe to the Denraks Machinery channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product videos and updates. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to serving you soon.